I am Dylan Tyndall.
Trent Tykla.
Trina Kelly.
Scott Heron.
Laquita Neely.
Cody Dabney.
My role here at Velocity is to ensure that every vehicle is perfect going to the customer.
I'm doing body work as needed.
I help the customer navigate the Velocity experience.
When I first come to Velocity, nobody knew who we were. We had to get off the ground. We were pioneers. We're still pioneers in what we do.
We've expanded and we're doing also F-Series, Chevy trucks, C&K 10s. Recently started doing the Fox bodies.
With Velocity acquiring Classic Recreations, the history and the legend behind Shelby, it's so exciting to be a part of that.
To me, our product represents pride.
Passion.
It represents classic.
Raising the bar.
Being a car collector myself, I know what it takes to get a vehicle back on the road.
What do you need to be successful here at Velocity? Tenacity.
You need grit.
Being coachable. Take that positive criticism, apply it, and make yourself better.
You got to be willing to go the distance to work for Velocity.
If you love the water, you should move to Pensacola.
Best inshore, offshore fishing, most beautiful beaches in the country. Motorcycle and car seasons, 9 months out of the year.
Good people, Southern hospitality.
It's got that small town feel, but there's still a lot to do. There's still a lot of culture here.
What's the culture like here at Velocity? There's a lot of hustle.
It's very much centered around teamwork. Our departments work really well here together.
There's nothing like getting to work with some of the best people and the best cars in the industry.
Velocity also really takes care of employees. We have a great benefits package.
401k was crazy important to me. Health insurance is awesome.
The paid time off is great.
The pay's good, but more importantly, it's the team.
We enjoy how we're treated by our managers.
And we're constantly asking the employees what they need and what they want to enjoy Velocity more, and I think that's powerful.
I get to come in every day. I get to do what I love. I get to build race cars. I don't sit behind a desk. I don't push papers. I just come in and I perform every day just like these cars perform.
Is Velocity for everybody? I'd say no. We really do demand the best because we really do make the best.
I want to work with someone who's going to come here and push themselves. I want to work with someone who's going to come and push me.
This is your spot if you want to work hard and build cool stuff. It feels like we're still just getting started. The next 10 years, who knows where we're going.
Every other month or so, I got to bring my son here so he can see the new vehicles. It's a big deal for him. I get to spend every day working on the things that I've been passionate about my entire life. 10-year-old me would be proud of where I am today working at Velocity.